Look at those clouds, very ominous. Storm cometh. What's going on, everybody? It is May 2nd, 2024, kicking off a new Storm Series video for you. I feel like it's been a long time since I've done one of these. The last weatherish kind of thing I did was the Snow Series. Had a good nor'easter about a week into April, and that gave me plenty of stuff to work on for a while. Hi. I'm hoping to get some thunder and lightning on video. There was a little bit of that a few minutes ago, which is why I'm firing up the camera. By the way, look at spring is here. Look at that. How pretty. Maybe I'll factor this shot into my thumbnail for the video. We'll see. But the rain's come down pretty good. This is the first good soaker we've had in a long time. It's about 48, or what's it saying? 48 degrees. Let me zoom in a little bit. 48 degrees, about 9:30 in the morning. Love the sound of the raindrops coming down on the umbrella. All right, I'll bring it back in just a bit. We got some street creeks forming, which means we'll probably have some flooding if this keeps up. In fact, what I'm going to do is take you down to the Kennebec River, see what's going on down there, because I have a hunch that the streets are going to start flooding. Some good cozy coffee shop weather. Just got back from Cafe Creme. Had to dip in there, get my espresso, set the pace for the day, you know what I mean? So I'm going to take you down here by Brackets. This is where the majority of the flooding happens when we do get these downpours. First, let's get over to the Kennebec. See what it looks like. A little foggy out there. Visibility kind of sucks right now. Yeah, very calm waters. Calmer than I would expect on a stormy day like this. Oh, that's pretty. This might have to be the thumbnail for the video. Yes. Loving all the color popping through. This is great. You can still see the abandoned flood car. The old Chevy Sonic that's been sitting there for several months now. Completely disabled and abandoned. It's one of two still here in town. I wonder how long they'll be there. So I just want to get an update from all of you who are watching from different parts of the US and different parts of the world, actually. I got people watching my videos from all over the place. It's great. But what's the weather like where you are? Did you guys have a unseasonably cold or warm spring or winter? What was it like? I feel like this winter, you know, we got a lot more snow, I think, than last year. And it definitely, it went further into the year than previous years. First time in a while with the snow. So definitely an atypical year in terms of weather so far. Lots of flooding. Lots of wet, cold, windy, rainy weather. And things are still kind of chillier, you know. It's here we are in May and we haven't really seen any temperatures in the 60s yet. Well, I think we may have hit it a couple times, but I'm just rambling on now, don't mind me. It tends to happen when I have my espresso. All right. Well, I'll bring it back in a little bit. Like I said, I'm going to try to get some thunder and lightning. It's supposed to kind of be off and on throughout the day. All right, I'll keep you guys in the loop. See you in a bit. All right, it is the evening now. Just taking a nice stroll and enjoying some tea. The rain has ceased, finally. It's been off and on pretty much the entirety of the day. So that'll wrap up the video with a nice stroll around town, well, at least in my neighborhood, just to enjoy it. Stretch the legs a little bit. Been working on projects all day inside, so time to get some fresh air. Take the camera for a walk. You know how it goes. By the way, there's the abandoned school, what's left of it. They didn't waste any time cleaning that up. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. There you go. They've got a lot of patchwork to do. You see all the plywood from where they separated the library and the science wing buildings. So, thank goodness they are saving the old portion. Outward and onward. Cheers, mates.